Hello everyone. Today we will see with sharing and without sharing with the real life example of library. Okay. So just imagine there is a school library. This library is like your Salesforce org data sharing model, the OWD. Initially, the library was public, so every student and teacher could access all the books, including textbook, novel, teacher guidebooks. Now, one day school decided that this library should the teacher guidebook the student should not be able to access. So they made the change in library rule and they changed from public to private. Now, a teacher can still access everything, but student can't see teacher's guidebook. So, for this, they created like a Apex class, and we will try to understand with sharing and without sharing with the help of Apex class. So, with sharing, follows like the it follows the library rule. Whatever the rule we will set in the OWD, the that rule this with sharing would follow. So, like we can see, with sharing class is there, and we are trying to access the this name or from the book object. So when we run this class, the student won't see the teacher guidebook because it's going to follow the private setting of this library. Now, we will see without sharing. Without sharing won't follow the OWD rules, like irrespective of what the rule is being set, it's a public or private, it will it ignores the rules. So we can see here like it's a without sharing class is there, and we are again trying to access this books from the book object. And here when we are going to run this, they can see that teacher guidebook even though they are not allowed because this class bypasses the library rule. There is a question like what if we don't write anything with sharing or without sharing. So by default, Salesforce follow without sharing. It's assume that you don't care what the rule is being set, so they follow the without sharing.
So, what is advisable? To protect private data in Salesforce, always write with sharing unless you truly need full access. For more such tech content, follow TTU Tech Zone.